Hello everyone! Today I will teach you how to get better at Rainbow Six Siege. This game is actually pretty hard, especially for beginners, since map knowledge and operator mastery are very important in this game. Okay, if you are just starting out, I suggest running the easy to control weapons to help you in your gunfight. For little to no recoil, I suggest using SMG-12. And operators that uses these guns are Warden, Vigil, and Dokkaebi. Next is Scorpion, and only Ella can use this gun. And Nasus F2, which is only exclusive to Twitch. The biggest hurdle in this game for me is map knowledge. It is a big disadvantage if you do not know the map well, because enemies might show up on corners you did not know existed. It is also hard to roam and rotate. The only way to familiarize the map is to keep playing and use the map training game mode. Rotations and reinforcements is crucial in this game, and doing the wrong setup can cost you the round. So learning this will help you a lot. Setups are different every time you switch locations. So I suggest try and pick an operator that will help you and your team to win that round. For example, in Consulate map, if your bomb site is in garage, it's great to use Bandit, since his specialty is Shockwire, which helps strengthen defense and delay entry. You can also open this area and throw a C4 if they try to breach. Chanka is also a great choice in this location since he can delay entry and cause great damage. Next is learn to utilize your drones. In prep phase, when you or your team already found a bomb, try your best to put your drone in a spot where you are going to enter, or inside the bomb site, to get some enemy information later on. Then, drone pretty much always before you enter a room to avoid face check. Always check cameras, especially when you are eliminated. Don't just spectate your teammates. Help them get information, and of course, to avoid cameras being detected and destroyed, know when to scan and when to just ping. This is why I love using Zero. For me, Zero is by far the best attacker in the game. He uses cameras that you can pierce through walls and floors. And his cameras are not that easy to find if you know where to put them. Communicate with your team. Communication is very important in Rainbow Six Siege and should be utilized in every game, especially ranked. Using voice communication, you can quickly give callouts to your team. So don't be that guy that lets his teammates die, okay? And team play. It's crucial to Siege, and coordinating with your team should be your first objective in the game. Start talking at the first start of the game, say hello. If your team wants you to play a certain operator, do it. You have to know how to use all the operators, since certain operators are better than others depending on the situation. You shouldn't always play operators that suits you or are your favorite, but rather something that will benefit the team. Cater to your team's needs and weaknesses. Think about what you want that round to look like for you and what site is being played. All operators can be used depending on the circumstances, and how well you can communicate with teammates. Hey, did you do?
One friendly
Ah,
operator remaining.
I was locked in.
Oh shit. One on B.
Wait.
One right here.
Op 4,
Nice.
last operator standing.
Bridge last scene.
Where?
Bridge
Ay.
left side. Dulo, kabila.
This wait, ping. This ping.
I can ping.
Yeah.
Why do I keep going?
Oh no, it's Valorant play.
Down to 15 seconds.
Wait, I can do this.
Nice try, nice try.
Friendlies were eliminated.
That's supposed to be A.
Nice try.
Last is find out what playstyle you like best. Do you like to roam and be stealthy? Or play more strategic and cause distraction? Or simply like to anchor and let the enemy come to you? Same on offense. Do you like to rush and get the objectives fast? Play slower and catch the roamers off guard? Or
Op 4, last
be a
operator
humble hard breacher? Now, once you find the playstyle you like, pick a character that enhances how you like to play. For me, since I do not have a good aim, I like to use operators that can still help even after I get clipped. That is why I love using Capcan. Just set up your EDD and watch as they explode. And even if I get eliminated, my EDD will still work and help my teammates with damage and information. Other ways that could help you get better at Siege, I guess go to the range, find a sense that works best for you to dial in your aim, and before entering rank, I suggest do a 1 to 2 team deathmatch games for warm up. And of course, watch pro players. Remember, don't get frustrated if you are not that good at Siege. It actually really takes time. You'll get used to it. So that is all for now. I hope this helps and thank you for watching.